Yo. We there say no. Cook some curry chicken and white rice. You understand? It's a cook, man, it's a cook. Make sure you see the curry cook properly, you know. Yeah, the man. Viewers and subscribers, you know, say here guy, one love, Africa. And there start with some curry chicken and white rice. Yeah, body top, you understand? So, show the wall go on, the pot. Wall go on. Africa, wall go on. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, see there? I cook some callaloo. See callaloo here, already cut, shred. I drop some vegetables in the pot. Oh, I can smell that. Yeah, man, see the viewers. Oh, come on, I don't mackerel. I saw the runner. Yeah, man, so we just done cook my curry chicken and white rice. There in the place, yeah. Right, let me just taste some still so I'll show you what I go on. Curry chicken and white rice, a mad thing. Ooh. See it there? With some callaloo. So what I go on. Now I start to do the interview. Viewers and subscribers. So we just done cook some curry chicken with some white rice and some callaloo. We just done eat. Everyone eat. It was a great feast. Hey, it was nice, man. So now we're there, so look out. I want to show you guys the sunset. Africa beautifully, man. So I'm going to show you the sunset and what it's like on a nice Sunday evening. Having some nice Sunday food, drinking some beers or some natural juice or some roots, and chilling with your friends. So my guys are inside, we're vibing. So I'm going to show you the sunset and the view. This is Africa. You can see the mountain. So I go on. That's a new building coming up right there. I think it's a hospital. This is going to be a hospital. Yeah, man. More building coming up over there. Green and delicious. Look at the sun. Wow. So beautiful, right? Viewers and subscribers, tell me. Look how Africa nice. And them say Africa never nice. Yeah? When I'm here, they say, you really got Africa? You really got Africa gonna live? Yeah, man, they might bash me, you know. See, you really got Africa? You can't go America, you can't go England, you can't go Canada, Australia, China. I try to show you what me see, and this is just one part of Africa. There's more. The sun is beautiful. If you could be here in person to see that sunset behind the clouds, it's amazing. You guys will be amazed of it. Yeah, man. So let's go on the viewers and subscribers. So right now we're gonna leave because it's a Sunday evening and it's the first Sunday in February. We got Jamrock, we're gonna play some domino, we're gonna drop a 6. So one of them boy y'all get 6. I'm not talking about 6 love or 6 pack or 6 pants. We don't give them 6 in a domino. You know, we don't give them no love. Ladies alone we give love. Ladies, you're my baby. Anyways, we're there now. That's just showing what I want. Job right now. Catch me. I'm out. Yeah, man, we can video one. That's it. Sure? Sure. We can run camera.
I don't think you two
What's your man? Bad man there, you know. Chef because like Billy, aka One Look Africa. And a Jamaican party. As you can see, a diaspora party with a Jamaican brother. Big up Junior of the Earth Strong. They don't know to the yard link to them strong. We One Love Africa, Jump Toast Africa. We're pulling the people together and been making this happen. So don't think I'm joking. When we say, yo, we are bringing the community together brick by brick. You see it? That one. Jump Tours. That one.
Yeah, for sure.
For sure. Yeah, man. Yo, my G.
There, brother.
Brand new man, that place.
Yeah, there.
That one.
Yeah,
DJ, yeah?
Peace up.
Oh, go on. See that, be a bad man there. Junior.
I think I'm first.
Up your strong. How you feel? 16 again or 10? Alright then.
Forever young.
Alright, forever young. Marcel, where you stay? Alright then, big up married man Marcel. Married man. Be all the Jamaicans there, so the diaspora party. And what you know, I'm not even a quarter away. I'm a quarter away.
Light it, 10.
Like this, remember? Like send me a man. But call him, like send the boat, man, I link him. I look for light right now. So all over there now, you can see the diaspora party, the multi. Hold on there. Who is this? Marcel.
So that we are going. I'm ready to sell. Come on, buy something.
Yeah.
Ready the thing, right now?
What's all people?
I'm going to fast. I'm going to back.
I'm perfect here. Everybody's right here. Anyways, I know like a yard man prayer. Everybody, we bless this cake in the Jamaican way. For health and strength, for early food, we praise thy name, our Lord. Amen. Let's go to the cake, bro.
Ladies, come sing happy birthday. Happy birthday, yeah, my friend. One more year for them. One celebrate. We're doing it again. Happy birthday, yeah, my friend. One more year for them. One life. Next year we're doing it again. What's it up? We are time with the key. Four corner. Jump to that your first piece.
Yo, what bird feed who? Father. Yeah? Uncle. All the cake taste? Sweet. Fruit cake. Rum fruit cake. Jamaican rum is in it. Oh, okay. Big guess. Who's guess? Oh, yeah.
You see, you enjoy your blood clot and you want to feed.
No, but
blood clot grab here.
Everybody get cake? Everybody get? Taste the cake. Can I taste the cake and so on? Go on.
It's alright.
Yeah, man, Jamaica rum cake, man.